In a world where technology constantly evolves, how are giants like Google and Microsoft reshaping healthcare with their innovative AI systems? Let's find out. Microsoft and Google are unveiling new features in their healthcare cloud products, aiming to make a big splash in the medical sector. Their main goal? To bring together data from different sources like health records, lab results, and billing information. This will help healthcare organizations make sense of the data and streamline their processes. Let's highlight a new feature from Google Cloud, Vertex AI Search, made for healthcare and life sciences groups. This tool, boosted by smart medical AI, helps unlock a wealth of data. It sifts through tons of information, including important clinical details, making it easier to find crucial information. Over the past year, AI has broken new ground in healthcare. The idea of personalized treatment plans isn't just movie stuff anymore. Smart AI now helps craft personal treatment plans and digs into medical images like X-rays and MRIs to pull out useful insights. Tools like Azure AI HealthBot by Microsoft are turning from ideas into reality, ushering in a new era in healthcare. This tech evolution by Microsoft and Google isn't just about cool gadgets. It's about speeding up research for serious diseases, discovering new ways to improve patient care, and making personalized medicine a reality. It's a game changer, making healthcare more accessible and effective. The journey to making healthcare data useful starts by organizing it well for easy access. Here's where Microsoft steps in with its tool called Microsoft Fabric. Think of it as a wizard that gathers scattered pieces of data into one place, making it easier for healthcare organizations to manage different types of health data like text, images, and videos. Peek into what Microsoft has on the horizon. It's gearing up to introduce a bunch of new features in its cloud for healthcare. These features aim to improve patient experiences, help health organizations dig out new insights using smart tech, and ensure top-notch security for health information. Soon, there will also be a service to help disguise medical data to keep it private while still useful, and a tool to make sense of messy text data. The shift is like moving from a manual to a modern, automated system that helps manage and analyze data efficiently. Microsoft Fabric makes the usually tough job of organizing varied health data a walk in the park, setting the stage for better and secure healthcare services. Microsoft is also making its text analytics for health service available in 6 more languages besides English: Spanish, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, and Hebrew. This is a big deal as it allows health setups worldwide to dig out valuable insights from text data in their own languages, moving a step closer to improved global healthcare. Lastly, Microsoft is testing a new service under Microsoft Fabric that cleverly hides personal details and medical data to keep it private, following strict privacy rules while still keeping the important clinical information intact. Let's shift our focus to a neat feature Microsoft is working on, the Azure AI HealthBot. This feature aims to create helpful digital buddies for healthcare professionals to manage both administrative and clinical tasks, making things smoother for both healthcare staff and patients. It's like having a smart friend powered by AI to help navigate through the daily maze of healthcare work. But that's not the tip of the iceberg. Microsoft is also testing 3 new features in Azure AI Health Insights. These features could help create a clear timeline of a patient's visits based on their medical data, simplify hard-to-understand medical terms in clinical notes, and highlight key findings in radiology reports to help radiologists in their work. Imagine having 3 smart helpers to tell a patient's medical story, turn medical jargon into plain English, and pick out important details in radiology reports. Adding more fuel to the innovation fire, a notable partnership is on the horizon. Wolters Kluwer is linking its health language platform with Microsoft Azure to improve and standardize healthcare data. This means that as customers move to Azure, they'll have a robust tool to check and translate their health data, getting it ready for future analysis. This partnership aims to enable better understanding and sharing of healthcare data, opening up new possibilities and making healthcare more connected and insightful. Microsoft, alongside its partners, is striving to advance healthcare tech. They aim to make it easy for customers to use Microsoft Cloud to pull out useful insights from their data and use AI in a responsible way. By connecting customers with the right partners and giving access to Azure Marketplace, Microsoft wants to provide the right tools to organizations to build solutions that meet their unique needs. Picture a healthcare organization thriving with innovation, thanks to Microsoft Cloud for healthcare services and tools. For instance, a researcher aiming to develop a new drug for Alzheimer's disease starts by finding suitable patients to test a hypothesis. They first ensure the data is private while still useful for research. On the other side, a clinician eager to find effective treatment plans explores specific patients' data to find useful patterns. With the data well organized, they dive deep, finding overlooked details in clinical notes, drawing a clearer picture that could lead to personalized treatment strategies. Imagine a patient, recently diagnosed with Alzheimer's, receiving a simple, easy-to-understand report on their condition, thanks to AI. Curious about their medications, they hop onto the hospital's website and chat with a friendly bot. In a short chat, they not only understand their medications better, but also effortlessly schedule follow-up appointments. This real-world scenario is a glimpse into the vast possibilities with Microsoft's healthcare tech. It's all about easing the path to new treatments, enhancing patient interaction, and simplifying daily hospital tasks. The Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare is at the heart of this transformation, aiming to tackle big healthcare challenges like easing the workload on clinicians and crafting personalized care plans for patients. Over in Brazil, a collaboration between tech firm DataSide and healthcare provider Oncoclínicas is making waves. They're using Microsoft's Azure AI text analytics for health to sift through a mountain of unstructured medical data, like a miner searching for gold in a vast cave of medical notes and reports. With the help of AI, they're pulling out valuable information to explore things like the feasibility of clinical trials and understanding healthcare economics on a deeper level. For the team at Oncoclínicas, this tech is a game changer, turning a manual, tedious process into a swift, efficient one, especially since it can understand Portuguese, breaking down language barriers often seen with global tech solutions. In another thrilling collaboration, Ramsey Healthcare and Microsoft are exploring the potential of AI with the Azure AI HealthBot. This venture is all about giving healthcare professionals a smart digital buddy to help engage with a wealth of clinical knowledge easily. It's like having a quick-witted friend who swiftly offers answers and smart solutions through a simple chat, promising to transform patient care and day-to-day operations. For healthcare organizations, it all starts with a big decision by the tech head to move their applications and data to a cloud provider like Microsoft or Google, almost like moving to a new advanced playground. In this new setup, tools like Vertex AI or Fabric become their smart helpers, ready to pull out useful insights from a sea of diverse data, paving the way for smarter and efficient healthcare. Edmund Tsai from Hunterdon Health shares their journey of moving to a modern collaboration platform, Google Workspace, which began about a decade ago. It wasn't just about chasing fancy tech, but also saving costs. Now they are moving more tech stuff onto Google Cloud Platform, setting a strong base for their data strategy. There's an exciting partnership if your healthcare facility uses the Meditech Expanse EHR system. You're already paired up with Google's special medical language tool, MedPalm 2, allowing doctors to dig deeper into a patient's medical history with ease. Google is upping the game by connecting Vertex AI with MedPalm 2, enabling doctors to ask specific questions without having to sift through piles of medical notes, saving precious time and easing doctor stress. Helen Waters from Meditech is thrilled about blending Google Health search and summarizing abilities into their system, easing the way for both healthcare providers and patients to find and understand critical information. In a nutshell, healthcare data is a vast, wild forest of information spread across various documents. Google and Microsoft are geared up with powerful search technology to navigate this forest, promising to standardize data and pull out valuable insights from this vast wilderness. With the digital leaps we've seen, how do you envision the future of healthcare technology impacting your life? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.